Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Door Receptionist system by using Raspberry Pi 0W. Here we are using. So the main application of this project is whenever a person is standing in front of the door to access the door, then he or she has to press this calling bell. Then the system will capture his or her photo and it will send that particular photo to the registered email ID. And by seeing the photo, the person who is authorized to this access this email can provide the granted or denied permission to the person through this servo motor, and by replying the mail to the same system. Like if you want to access granted to the respective person, then we need to send the reply mail as granted. Then the system will allow the person by rotating the servo motor, and a message will be displayed on the LCD screen as a access granted. So if you send the denied email reply to that same photo, then the denied message will be displayed on the LCD screen and the buzzer will be on continuously as a alert of denied access. So here mainly we are using Raspberry Pi 02W, which will taking care of capturing the photos from this Pi camera and sending the same photos through to the registered email ID, and the servo motor which will representing as a door, and this one is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply which will getting from this regulated power supply board, and this switches will acting as a calling bell switch, and this is a buzzer to provide us the audible alerts, and LCD to provide the visual status on this LCD screen. And here the process is, initially we need to load the operating system, that is a Raspbian version 32-bit OS version into this memory card, 32 GB memory card. After loading the OS, we need to connect the HDMI here and OTG cable to access the keyboard and mouse and power cable. And in the HDMI screen we can see the operating system is booting. After successfully booting, we can see the desktop of the OS version, and after that in the Python language we provide the instructions to capture the photo whenever the calling bell switch pressed, and then reading the Gmail of this respective sent email, and by reading that we can provide the granted and denied. So this is all about the project. So let us see demonstration. Before demonstration, we need to provide the hotspot. Through the hotspot only the system will send the email and can access the email. So for that, go to hotspot settings and configure the hotspot to project 6393 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling the hotspots and data, you can see 0 device is connected. So enable the hotspot and data, then on the power supply to the switch. So it will take around 20 to 30 seconds of duration to boot in the operating system, and on successfully booting, then a welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and the buzzer also will be on and off 2 times, and we can see the one device is connected in your mobile phone. Right, so initially the camera will be initialized and the light will be on and off times. And coming to this regulated power supply board, so it has a 4 stages, so which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us a 5 volts DC output. So the stages are like transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and rectifier to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and these filters are used to remove the pulses and to make the pure of 12 volts DC, and there will be a regulator which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts constant DC output. So when we provide that, the system will start booting into the operating system. Right. So welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and after that it's keep on showing the monitoring. So let us press the switch. So when we press the switch, press and hold till sending mail are displayed on the LCD screen. Now the camera will capturing the images and send to the registered email ID. So based on the network speed, the system will send the email and read the email. So we got this email now. Open that. So we can see the images. And after seeing the image, if you want to provide the access granted to the person, then reply to the same mail by typing the granted. So in this the case sensitive, we need to write and then reply to the same mail. So once the mail sent successfully, the system will read the inbox of this Raspberry Pi 1786 yahoo.com, and once it found the granted mail inside the inbox, then the system will rotate the servo motor in clockwise for 5 seconds duration, and at the same time the buzzer will be on as indication of access granted on the LCD screen, and it will back to the 0 position. If you reply to the denied, only the buzzer will get switched on for the denied email. So whenever you want to reply to that mail, we should reply to the one mail at a time. Don't reply multiple twice. So servo motor rotated, access granted message displayed on the LCD screen. Right. So now let us see the denied email also. So buzzer off, we can see, we can receive the email here. Right. So we got the one more email. So in reply, we can deny it. So mail sent. You can see that denied email got received and access denied, and the servo motor won't will give the reply to that. Only buzzer will get switched on. So in this manner, we can provide the access to the door from anywhere in the world. The main application is, so instead of registered persons, anyone can access the door by providing the authorization from the authorized Gmail only.